Welcome back. Yeah, I'm going to show you another method that you can use to divide a given line into a number of equal parts. So as we have done in the previous video, that we make use of a tool to divide the line into a given number of equal parts. So now, I'm going to use another method to divide the line into a number of equal parts. So let's see how that goes. So the line is still 70 millimeters in length. So we put on the auto mode to draw the line. So we draw the line, horizontal line of 70 millimeters in length. So we press enter key, and then I'm going to draw a line at an angle to this. So we right click and we repeat the line. So the line is at angle. Okay, we put off the auto mode. So the line is at angle 30 degrees. So to the horizontal. So this is okay. Okay, we have it like this. Okay. So and then, so we are going to label this point. So this is, so the height is 2 and the rotation angle is 0. So here we have this point here. This is point A and this point is point B. Okay, so this point is point C. Okay, so we have this. So then, okay, so we escape it. So now, so I want to divide this line to a number of equal parts into 9 equal parts as we did for the previous one. So I'm going to make use of an arc. So to make 9 points on this line, and this is how I'm going to do it. Okay, so I will come here, so select this arc, and then so from this point here, so I'm going to enter the radius of the arc, and the radius of the arc that I'm using, I will make use of 10. So I make use of 10. So this is 10. Okay, so I will draw an arc here like this. Okay, so then I'm going to repeat the arc. So let's do this again. Okay, so let's do it again. I want the arc to go better than this. Here I'll raise it, and then I'll come back here, and then so select this type of arc. So I will select this point. So I'm going to enter. So the radius is 10, or the length is 10. Length of arc is 10, so 10. So, and then we have what we have this point. So we have this arc. So I will repeat it. So this is now the next point. So then I will give it a distance of 10 again. Okay, so this is okay. That's not going to work. So I have to come here and select it directly. So from here, so we have what we have 10. So enter. So we have this arc. So that is true. So then I will come here again. So select this. So from this point, okay. So enter the length. So that is 10. So this gives us 3. So then I will come here again, select this. So from this point, so we have the length to be 10. So this gives us what? This gives us 4. So next we have what? We have the 5th one. So from this point, okay, so the length is 10, so 10. So this is the 5th one. Then we come again, so select this. So from this point, so we have what we have 10. So this gives us the 6th one. So then we come here, so select this, and then we come to this point. So so 10. So this gives us the 7th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so next one is 8. So we select this, and then from this point, so we have 10 again. So length is 10. So we have this. So I need to extend this line. So I'm going to move this away from here, and I will extend this line. So taking it down. Okay, so that's okay. All right, so I can bring this now. I can bring it here. All right, so I have it there. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll come to arc again, select this type of arc, and then start from this point. So enter the length of 10, enter. So we have this arc here. Okay, so that's it. So next thing that we are going to do is that I'm going to take this line, and then from this point to the end of the line, So which we are dividing to a number of equal parts. So let me make this line a thick line at once because that's the line that we are working on. So then the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy this. Okay, so I'll come to copy to here and then select the line to copy or the object to copy, right click. So you pick it from this end here. Pick it from this end here. So we drop it here. So drop it at this point. Then we drop it at this point. Then we drop it at this point. We drop it at this point. Then we drop it at this point. We drop it here. We drop it here. And then we drop it here. So that's it. Right click, enter. Okay, so that's it. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is to so remove this. So I'll just select this at once and they are all removed. So that's it. Then we are going to number each of these points. Let's quickly do that. So we come to text and then so we enter the height. So 2, rotation angle 0. So here we have this point. This is 0.1. Okay. Here is 0.2. So this is 0.3. So here is 0.4. So this is 0.5. Okay. So here is 0.6. So this is 0.7. This is 0.8. And this is 0.9. Okay, so that's it. So, all right, so this is how to divide a line to a number of equal parts. Another method that you can use to divide a given line to a number of equal parts, as simple as I've done it here. Thank you, and to come back. God bless you.